Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today I've had a request to draw a hand, and they often say that hands are the hardest things to draw. So I'm going to break it down into simple step-by-step process. And also, don't worry if you don't get it the first time. Just keep on practicing because that's all that it is. Practice makes perfect with drawing. So you're going to need a pencil, an eraser, a black pen and some paper. And just to show you, this is what we're going to be drawing. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off really simply, and the easiest way to start is actually by drawing around your hand. So if you're right-handed, let's draw around your left and vice versa. So using a pencil, just draw around. Once you've done this a few times, then you'll get the practice for it, and then you'll be able to do it without having to draw around your hands. So just very simply going to draw around your fingers all the way around, all around, just like that. So that's the outline. Now we're going to break it down so that we can kind of see the anatomy, and then that's where we can start next time. So basically we've got shape coming around like that, comes round all the way around here and back again. And then the thumb is composed of two pieces, so one like that, like that, and then the other piece is like that. And then we're going to do a series of columns. So each finger's composed of 3 little columns. So we're just going to draw them in. So here's one. Here's 2. And then the third one. Just like that, as if we were having an X-ray. And then here's one. Just like that. Here's the other part. And then the top bit. Just like that. And then this one. Doesn't matter if you make a mistake, you can always rub it out. We're only doing this in pencil. Here's the other one, and then the tip of the finger, and last but not least, the little finger. Around like that, around like that, and then the tip. Next stage, I'm just going to really observe my hand, and then I'm going to draw what I see. So here, I'm just going to draw around everything. I'm going to draw the nail, which will start about here, comes round, and just like that, just like that. Bring it around, a few more lines there, a few more lines here, and it's a little bit webbed in between here, as it comes onto the ring finger. And then we're going to do the same way up. I'm going to draw the nail. The good thing about doing it this way is that because it's life size, you can actually measure things. So I can see that my nail should be about that big, so that's quite useful. Just like that. Comes round like so, all the way around, just like that. Add a few more wrinkles in the joints, and we're going to start on the next one. And where the joints meet, we're going to make it a little bit wider so it actually comes out in these parts, not it doesn't go in, it comes out. And again here. So keep going. We're going to rub out all these lines underneath in a second, but we're still going to use them for the time being. Okay, keep on going round. It comes out like so, and it comes round. Just like that. And it can be done in kind of like the sketchy style. You don't have to make it perfect. Make it come round, all the way down to the thumb. And then we're gonna have some fun here. It's gonna come in, come out, and then the nail. You're gonna see it from the side, remember? So just keep on looking at your own hand, just observe it really, really well. That is the key to most drawing, is just observation, just lots and lots of observation. Just keep on looking. Comes in and out. So I'm going to rub out these lines underneath, and I'm going to go around it in pen first, and I'm going to speed up this process. And there we have our life-sized hand. So you can add things like, if you want to add the ring, like I've got here, just quickly add the ring. Or do whatever you want to make it slightly more realistic. I've actually added some of the bones. I've got quite bony hands, so you can see some of the bones show through here. So I've just added some lines, and I've added some shadow here on this side. So just keep on practicing, just do your hand in different positions and just, you know, see what you can come up with. And that's the best way to improve, is just direct observation. Draw your own hands first and then start drawing other people's hands. And I hope you found this really useful. Please let me know how you get on in the comment section below. If you've liked this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, goodbye.